Hey everyone, it's John from Show Me Pickers, and today we're going to be doing some work in the store. I'm trying to get it ready to be opened as a pop culture shop. I'm also going to have to pull some stuff that we have in eBay inventory. I have like 4 pages of stuff that I delisted off of eBay in a way to revamp my store so that I can make better use of the space in my basement. I have a lot of stuff that is not going to sell. I'm going to start working on my inventory down there. I'm going to condense totes, condense stuff, because to be honest, it looks a lot fuller than it is. We keep probably about 2,400 items listed on eBay. And yeah, so that takes up a lot of space. So I need all the space that I can get so that I can keep bringing in more stuff to make more money. So let's jump right into this video. I'll talk to you guys right after the intro.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Okay guys, I brought Cooper with me today, and he's a good puppy dog, but he's got a peculiar behavior. Like, if he sees something that he doesn't like, he gets really upset. And there was something up here and I couldn't figure out what it was, but I realized it's this blue lamp. Watch. He hates it. He hates this blue lamp. What is it, Coop? Come here. Look, it's not going to get you. See? He does not like that blue lamp. It's going to get you. It's going to get you. What is it? See? He does not like this blue lamp. I know you guys are probably thinking I'm being mean to him, but I'm going to lay it down so he don't see it anymore. You're okay, buddy. You ain't nothing to worry about. But I'm going to show you guys. These are the 4 pages of stuff that I have that I've got to pull. All of this is stuff that we pulled, right, Coop? And we have probably, I don't know how many items. It is double spaced, so if it was single spaced, it would be about probably a little, almost 2 pages. And so we're going to start. We're going to just mark stuff off as we find it. And Cooper said he's going to help. So we're going to try to find some of these items. And once I get everything pulled, I'm going to talk about how bad of buys they are. Okay, guys, it's been a little bit over an hour, and Cooper, he's out of it. He's laying on the floor doing his thing, but I've been pulling stuff. I have probably somewhere a little bit less than half of the list already pulled. I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff that I bought that just doesn't sell. And this is it right here. These are my lists. You can kind of see I've got some little check marks. That's all checked off. A lot of that's checked off. I know where all of that is, but they're really heavy, and I'm just going to leave them over there for right now until I can get them to a place where I can actually do something with them. But looking here, I've got some really ugly, like, women's shoes, like silver. I don't know. We've had this listed since 3/2018. That was our old inventory tag. I've got a bunch of racing decals. I don't know why that never sold. That's pretty cool. I've got an empty camera case. I've got some little wooden stupid pin holder. I've got a bunch of these fold-up ashtrays, which I thought I might have sold 1 or 2 of them because they are advertisement for some fair. I've got a set of ladies golf clubs that didn't sell. Some Pontiac G6 visors that are trash. I've got a CV axle off of a Topaz. Didn't sell. I've got this nice, ugly, rusted metal art thing, and it still has the label in it from 2018. That's how long I've had it. Then I've got this creative woodworking piece here. It's just a set, and it's from 2019. And then I've got, if you can see here, I've got a game called Going, Going, Gone. Seen it. Some NASTA stuff, some photos, president game, a Democrat bucket, some magazines, wooden thing. I've never sold that thing. Never sold it. Rustic. I figured somebody would scarf it up. Got a big old picture of Charlton Heston. Don't know why I thought that would sell, but I've got some darts, Nerf darts. And then I've just got some random stuff in the bottom there. I've got a plate. I've got some matches, a book, a couple books. One of them is The Pope, and the other one is a field hockey ball from Kirkwood, Missouri from 1974, and it was signed by the team. I really didn't want to throw that away. I kind of wanted to hopefully find it a good home. I didn't list it for a whole lot, but unfortunately, nobody wanted it. So what I do with all this stuff now is that I'm going to take a lot of it and I'm going to stick some of it like this. This is vintage. It's going to go in my store for like, I'll probably put it up there for like $8. And some of the other old vintage stuff will go into the store. And then I have my online auction that I do locally where I sell stuff and move merchandise that wouldn't do very well on eBay. It all goes through there. And I might create one big lot and just sell it. Some of the stuff will be donated. Some of the stuff I'll take over to the local thrift shop locally and donate it, and hopefully it can be repurposed. So there you go. That was probably, I probably had close to, I probably delisted over 100 items, and I've still got more to pull. But, you know, I'm eventually going to go through, like if you notice, my shelves are getting kind of bare because I haven't been doing a whole lot of, since December, I haven't been going to a whole lot of auctions. Some of these totes are getting kind of empty. And what I'm going to do is go through these totes and I'm going to start condensing stuff down. And if it isn't selling, like I don't think I'm going to do the game. I don't think I'm going to do the list it and forget it game anymore. I don't think personally that having 5,000 items on eBay is the way to go. I think it's more about churning and turning these items and making your money as quickly as possible and not having, I would like to keep my inventory to around 2,000 items of good items. Because right now I probably got about 500 good items listed and I could probably purge about 1,500 items out of my store. And I'm going to start ending and relisting these items. I've got a plan of attack. This is my plan of attack. I'm going to start ending and relisting these items. And, I'm going to go through and edit them. I'm going to have to take better photos. I'm going to do that. I'm just going to stay real busy and try to make the best of a bad situation. I've got a lot of inventory that when I first started, there wasn't some of the best stuff to buy. So now I've got to get rid of it. And that's my plan of attack. I'm going to end and relist. I'm going to run some deep discounts on some of this stuff that needs to go. I'm going to do some auctions, start some stuff out at a couple bucks. And if it sells for whatever I have in it, then that'll be good. I'll get my money back. And yeah, just normal stuff that we would do to get this stuff going. Run some promoted, maybe put everything into a folder for promoted listings, like a higher promoted listing, and maybe try to promote it at like 15% and see what happens. That'd be a neat exercise to see if you promote this stuff at 15%, if it sells a little bit better. But I'm rambling. I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys had a good time watching the video. If you do, go down below and give me a big thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video. You guys have a good day. God bless yourselves. And God bless yourselves. God bless you guys.